If after watching this video, you don't know how to balance equation, I'm going to pay you for wasting your time. Let's get into it. Balancing of chemical equation is the easiest thing any science student should know. And I'm going to teach you in this 2 to 3 minutes video. Now, let's go. Now, you want to first of all look at the constituent of these things. Like, this is hydrogen, this is sulfur, this is oxygen, right? These are the reactants, right? Those are the first thing you want to know. This is the reactant, and this is what? The product. That's the first thing you want to know, right? Balancing chemical equation. Now, what is here? H is here. What is also here? Sulfur is here. What is also here? Oxygen is here. Now, the same thing happens here. H is here. Sulfur is here. Then oxygen is here, right? Now, look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask you some questions. How many side? Now, please, look at the word I'm saying. Side. I'm not saying how many hydrogen do we have. How many side? You know, this is one side. This is another side. This is one side. This is another side. So how many side of this reactant has hydrogen? It's just one side. Now you see, it's just this side alone that has hydrogen. That means one side. How many side on this side has hydrogen? This is one side. This is another side. How many side? Only one side. Good. How many side has sulfur? Here. Sulfur is here. Sulfur is here. That means this is two sides. If you don't know balance of equation after this, I'm going to pay you something. How many side has sulfur? Only one side. Now the last one is what? Oxygen. How many side has oxygen? Just this side. Only this side. One. How many side has oxygen? Only this side. One. Now listen, this is where the rule is. 1, 1, right? And 1, 1. But sulfur is what? 2, 1. The rule is balance the element with only one side each first, and leave the one that has either 2, 1 or 2, 2 or 2, 3 or what have you. So that means in my order, what will I go with first? I can go with either oxygen first or hydrogen first. Either of the two, you still get your answer. So I'll pick hydrogen first. Then after hydrogen, what will I go next? Is it sulfur? No, because sulfur has two sides. That's what I'm going to balance last. So this is second. Where am I going to balance last? This side. I'm going to balance this side last. If you know this, you are good to balance any chemical equation. Now let's get into it. Now H2S SO2 to give what? H2O plus S. Now look at it. How many hydrogen is here? Hydrogen here is 2 because of 2 here. Hydrogen is, how many hydrogen do we have here? Hydrogen here is also what? 2. That means hydrogen is balanced. No pressure. No pressure at all. So hydrogen here is 2. Hydrogen here is 2. But how many oxygen do we have here? Don't forget. After hydrogen, what will I go for? Oxygen is the next. How many oxygen do we have here? Oxygen here is 2. Look at it. 2 of oxygen. But how many oxygen is here? Oxygen is just 1. Just 1. Now, don't forget, you don't balance here at the subscript. No. You have altered the reaction on the compound by balancing on this side. So this is wrong. You don't balance here. Where do you balance? You balance at this side. Now, to make this oxygen here, to make it equal to 2, I have to add 2. Right? Now, oxygen here becomes 2. And oxygen here becomes what? 2. But there's a problem. I've created a problem. How? By adding 2 here, hydrogen has become 4. And the principle that balancing of equation follows is called the principle or the law of conservation of mass or matter. That's a JAMB question. Note it. What is the law? Drop it in the comment section so that other people can see it. Law of what? Conservation of mass. Oh, yeah, drop it now. Drop it. Type it. Law of conservation of mass is a JAMB question. That's what balancing of equation. What does it state? You can neither create matter nor destroy it. Now look at it. There's a problem. I've created matter. Look at it. Hydrogen here was 2 and I've made 4. I've already created matter. I've already disobeyed that law. So for me to balance it, I must make sure that the hydrogen here is also correct. So to make this hydrogen correct, I have to add 2 here. Now that means I've also followed the law. Law of what? Conservation of mass. Drop it in the comment section. Now the hydrogen here becomes 2 times 2, 4. That means I have to change this one to 4. Hydrogen here becomes 2 times 2, 4. I have to change this one to 4. My first, what are the, please, this thing is not joke, oh, it's important. Now I'm done with my first, the one I should balance first. I'm done with the second one. Then what is the last one? Sulfur. That's the way to balance. That means sulfur is the last. Sulfur is the last. Now look at it. How many sulfur is there? Look at it. 2s, right? That means I have 2 sulfur here first, plus another sulfur. That means the sulfur on the reactant side is 3. But don't forget, the sulfur here is just 1. And I told you don't balance at this side. Where do you balance? That means you balance at the what? At the coefficient. This is a balanced equation. That means the sulfur here is 3. The sulfur here is 3. What is the secret? It is so easy to balance chemical equation. If you can know this, just know the number of sides that each of the elements. Hydrogen here is 1 on this side. How many hydrogen do we have here? 1. How many sulfur do we have here? 2. How many sulfur do we have here? 1. How many oxygen do you have here? 1. How many oxygen do you have here? 1. Balance the one that it is more than 1 last. The one that it is just 1, 1. Balance them in that order. This one before. After you can choose this one or you choose this one. So this one first, followed by this. Then you balance this one last. Balance this guy last. Please take note. Balance last is important. If you don't do that, you'll just be parabolating. I hope this help you. If you can know this, you can solve any balancing of equation. I promise you. I hope I did not waste your time. Tell me if I waste your time in the comment section. Tell me I did not waste your time. Tell me you did not waste my time. Okay. So yeah, if you want to join our WhatsApp class, it has started in January, and we teach all your subject combination, all your 4 subject combination. If you are seeing this on TikTok, you can send me a message. And if you are watching this on YouTube, you can also see my number around the description. Send me a message so that you join our class. The experience is there and the expertise is there. You can't beat it. This is 6 years of experience of teaching. So see you in my next video. Bye for now. Balancing of equation is balanced in your head.